Welcome to my channel Watch and Learn. So viewers, in this video I am going to discuss about conduction. So what is the basics of conduction? Conduction is the most common way to heat a solid. It involves heating one part of an object. The molecules in that part of the object vibrate when they are heated. These vibrations are passed on from one molecule to the next through the object until the whole object has been heated. The molecules themselves do not move, they only vibrate. Not all substances conduct heat at the same speed. Metals are good conductors because they transfer heat very quickly, and paper, wood and cloths are not good conductors of heat because wood is such a poor conductor of heat. It is often used to make pot handles and spoons. Wood stops the heat being transferred from the hot pot to the hands. Let's take an example of flame. Although only one part of this object is being heated, the heat from one molecule is transferred to the next so that it travels throughout the object. The person holding this object will have to let go or remove it from the flame to avoid being burned. I hope so you understood this simple concept about conduction. For more informative and latest video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay connected with me. Goodbye.